Hi, hello viewers. In this video, I would like to explain about parts of Microsoft Word window, or we can also call as components of Microsoft Word window. Let us see. So, this is the Word window. This is the Word window. You observe here. So, the first one, this is document one. Microsoft Word is there na? So, this is we are calling as header bar, or we can also call as title bar. Okay, here document one is there, here Microsoft Word is there. That means document one is nothing but Microsoft Word. The files are called as documents. Here we are not given any name, that's why it is displaying document one. This is title bar. Okay, next we observe here file, home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review, view is there na? So this is we are calling as tabs. See here, from here to here, these all we are calling as tabs. Means this is called as tab bar. File tab, home tab, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review and view. Okay, this is called as tab bar. Next one, you observe here. So this is we are calling as quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar means you observe here this is the save icon, this is the undo icon, and this is the redo icon. Quick access toolbar, this bar is called as quick access toolbar. That means, so whatever the options we use frequently, we can get it on this quick access toolbar. For the options we use frequently, that options we can get it on this quick access toolbar. The purpose of quick access, we are getting the options, frequent used options, we are click on this quick access toolbar. Okay, right. Next, from here to here, you observe from here to here, this is called as ribbon. This is called as ribbon. See here, from here to here, this bar. Okay, that means from here to here, this is we are calling as a ribbon. A ribbon consists of various groups. Means, see here, this one, this is home tab. In home tab we have clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, styles group, editing group. So if you select insert, in insert we have various groups. That means a ribbon consists of various groups, and in these groups, for example, see here, this is insert tab. In insert tab, this is the pages group, this tables group, this illustrations group. Okay, in groups again we have options, or we can also call as commands. Means a ribbon consists of from here to here the groups, and a group consists of options or commands, right? The next one here is rulers. The next one here is rulers. You observe here we have in Microsoft Word we have two rulers. This one is horizontal ruler, and this one is vertical ruler. So the purpose of this rulers is, you observe here on horizontal ruler, again we have, see here, again we have this indents. This indents you observe here. You observe here. Here also one indent is, here also one indent. That means these indents are used to set the paragraph. You observe here, here wherever the indent is there, from there only the paragraph will stop. You observe here. See here. Suppose I am adjusting this indent here. You observe here, like that. Okay, suppose here I am typing. You observe here, suppose I am adjusting the paragraph, sorry, indent here. Suppose I am adjusting this left indent here, right indent here, and you observe. So wherever the indents are there, up to there only the text will come. See. Okay, this is about the horizontal ruler. So what is the purpose of this vertical ruler? Here also the purpose is same. Where is this indent? From there only we can start the text. See here. You observe. We can't type here. Why? Because indent is here on this vertical ruler. See here. If I adjust indent here, vertical indent here, the text is also here. If I adjust here, see here. Means this the rulers in Microsoft Word, that means horizontal ruler and vertical ruler is purpose of these rulers are adjust the paragraph in the Microsoft Word document. Okay. And next one is this area, white area, this area. So we are calling as document area. So wherever we work in Microsoft Word, this area we are calling as document area. And here this is the vertical scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar means, suppose if we type like this, see here. Okay, see here. If we want to see the page up and down, see here. If we want to see the page, this is the up, and if we want to see the down means like this. See. Okay, so now we are in here. If you want to see the, this is the top of the page. If you want to see the, so down of the page means we have to adjust this scroll bars, the vertical scroll bar. The purpose of this vertical scroll bar is to see the page up and down in Microsoft Word document, or to see the page, see the up and down of the document, top and bottom also. Okay, right. And this is the, finally we have status bar. See, observe here, page 1 of 223 is there now. What's 27? This bar we are calling as status bar. That means will show the status. See here, page 1. Page 1 means right now we are in page 1 of 23. Okay, so here, see, observe here. That means the total pages in this documents are 23. Right now we are in the page 1. You observe here. The words are 7 words. Means status bar shows the status of the cursor, in which page it is, and total how many words are there, and total how many pages are there. See here, the first page. For example, see here, this is the second page. Suppose now we have entered in second page. You observe here, page 2 of 23 means in this document completely 23 pages are there. In that, right now we are in the second page. Here, so, and here you observe this is the into symbol is there now. Here into symbol, this is to close the Microsoft Word document. So whenever you click on this one, the document will be closed. See here, if you click like this, it will ask to you for save or not. Click on don't save means automatically document will be closed. If you click on save means it will ask to you for the name, on which name you want to save this document. Here we have to give one name and click on save. Automatically the document will be closed. And this is restore button. See here, restore means from big screen to small screen, and this one is maximize. Click on this maximize button, automatically the window will come into bigger size. And this is the restore. Restore means from bigger screen to smaller screen, and this is maximize from smaller screen to bigger screen. And this is minimize. This minimize. Okay, so this is about components or parts of Microsoft Word window. Hope you understand the concept clearly. If you have any queries or any doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.